Because monkeys are always at risk of falling, they need forward-facing eyes to judge the distance to the next branch, which means they have a blind spot. The harpy eagle is the master of the aerial ambush. If a monkey is under the canopy, it's out of the harpy's reach. It's only when one breaks cover that it becomes available. The harpy's way of hunting comes at a price. To fly with prey as heavy as a monkey, it must build enough muscle to become the most powerful eagle on Earth. Raising a harpy chick, therefore, takes an extraordinary commitment. At the end of a year, it's fully grown. It must spend many more months building up its flight muscles for the heavy lifting ahead by working out at the jungle gym. And more demanding still, it must learn the art of the ambush in this aerial world. Trying to hide from monkeys is not easy. There are more straightforward options for the chick's first encounter. A three-toed sloth. It should be a formality, but even sloths fight back. It's a valuable lesson. Hunting the jungle's larger animals is never simple.